Fine. So what is a polymorphism?
Polymorphism means poly means many and morph means forms, means having multiple forms is nothing but your polymorphism. So like for example, we can take the real world example. Okay, like for example, a person in the class behave like a student, a person in the market behave like a customer, a person in the bus behave like a passenger, a person at a home behave like a son, but person is the same but having different attitude and different behavior. Okay, so we can say that this is a polymorphism. So in Java we are having two types of polymorphism. First one is compile time polymorphism, second one is runtime polymorphism. The method overriding is the example of the runtime polymorphism, and method overloading is the example of the compile time polymorphism.